everybody! Today we are making cookies!
Let's pick strawberry. Let's first put flour, water, butter, salt, and sugar. Great job! Now let's mix. Now we need brown sugar. Then egg, crack. Then the vanilla extract. Then strawberry syrup. Yum! Then we mix again. That looks delicious already.
Now I'm going to need your help to spread the dough. Will you help me?
Yes!
Yeah, thank you.
Roll, 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 roll. Just like that, you're doing it. Good job, everybody.
Great job, everyone.
Now we need to pick a cookie cutter.
Let's go with this one. What shape is it, everyone?
A star!
A star. Great job. Count with me as I cut the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job, everyone.
Now we need to put it into the oven. Now we wait. They're ready. Whew, they're hot. Here's our cookie. Wow, that looks delicious. I can't wait for us to eat it. But first, let's add some frosting to our pink star cookie.
Ooh, nice frosting. Let's try that again now. This time, we can do chocolate.
Now we repeat the steps again, using the same ingredients. Flour, sugar, butter, salt, and water. Then we mix. Now that that's done, we have the next ingredients. Brown sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, and chocolate syrup. Then we mix again. Not quite.
Whoa, awesome mixing, everyone. We're almost done with all the steps. Then we can eat our yummy cookies.
Now we roll the dough again.
Good job. That looks about right.
Now count with me again as I count the gingerbread cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we put them into the oven. Let me grab some oven mitts. These are going to be hot. And now we wait. Take them out. Wow, what a delicious looking cookie. It is so hot. Good thing I wore oven mitts. Now that that step is done, we have to put frosting. And our cookie is ready. Super cooking, everyone.